Yo! What is good? Welcome back to Joshua on Point mga pare. So ngayon ang pag-uusapan natin, bakit mas madali maging blue-pilled? Oh, Boss Josh, ano yan? Anong klaseng topic yan? Controversial ba pare? Ready ka na? Hit mo na yung like button, share mo na rin, and let's go!
Bad boy shake kala kill, ako 10 toes down.
Okay mga bro, so before tayo mag-start, mabilis lang, mga perfumes natin pare, lahat meron na tayong stock. Okay, so lahat ng mga perfumes natin, Seduce, Foreplay, Climax, lahat available na sa mga shops natin bro. So go ahead, may link tayo sa baba bro, bilhin nyo na bago pa ma-out of stock. Oh, so pare, baka nagtataka kayo, bakit madali yung blue-pilled Boss Josh? Diba? Relax ka lang pare, no? Meron tayong papanooring video pare, no, na magre-react tayo. Tignan natin kung magkakapareho tayo ng reaction dito sa video na to. Okay, hindi ko ibibigyan ng context.
I think I just met the girl of my dreams. Oh my gosh, she's amazing. She's pretty. Oh my gosh, she's fucking beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen someone so pretty in so many ways. Anyone who's wanting to be a pretty person has such a wonderful personality. She speaks well, she's nice, she's kind, she's considerate, she's aware of everybody's feelings, but she isn't a pushover. When needed, okay, when needed, she is firm with other people. And so it's just like the perfect balance of not being too kind, but also being kind enough. Okay? And one of the few awesome traits is that she's just really a nice person in general, and she's always smile at me. And bear in mind, not many people smile at me. I guess the only thing is that she has a very great career, and as much as I like to be not toxic and positive, who has a very, very high up career is a bit scary because I feel I have to match up to her. Yeah, and she's quite young also. I mean, she's not like fucking 17. She's in her late 20s, and I just want to find a way to be a chance. Now, I know I have zero chance of being with her. I know me and her together is fucking out of the question. If I were to ask God, when do you think I'll get together with her? I think God will start to cry because he doesn't know the answer. Or the answer is probably no. Okay. But I'm going to work really hard. I'm going to get in shape. I'm going to look great. I'm going to work very hard in my career too, so that one day, maybe one day, I'll just catch maybe 1% of her attention. And if I can just catch 1% of her attention, I think that's good enough for me. But yeah, I'm going to work really hard. I'm going to get my body in shape, and see this fucking stupid hair that looks like a coconut. I'm going to look great by the end of the year. The day I catch her attention, I will know. I'm not going to get together with her because it's fucking impossible, but I will know I'm not the same person as yesterday.
Kaya ako nasabi kanina pare na pagiging blue-pilled is mas madali. Kung nakita naman natin si Tropa, no? Sobrang positive yung tingin niya sa sitwasyon niya ngayon. Think positive lang. Meron kang babae na the girl of your dreams, no? Na nandyan sa harapan mo. Ang iisipin mo lang, kailangan ko lang mag-workout, no? Kailangan ko lang magpagupit. Magugustuhan ako niyan, no? Ganyan mag-isip ang mga blue-pilled, no? Hindi ko sinasabi to para naging sarcastic dun sa tropa natin na yun, because malabo, no? Because dumaan din tayo sa ganong parte ng buhay natin, no? Yung pagiging blue-pilled. Ganon yung mindset na nami-miss ko minsan, pagiging blue-pilled, yun yung nami-miss ko na parang sobrang positive lang ng lahat, no? Pero the sad reality is, no, hindi ganon kadali talaga. Sa tingin niya, meron siyang chance, no, pagdating ng araw, but sobrang dami niya pang kailangang gawin sa buhay. Ito no? Yes, ito yung curse ng red pill no, na curse at the same time blessing siya. Pag red pill ka na at pinanood mo yung video niya, bro, hindi siya nakaka-motivate kundi nakakaawa na lang talaga si Tropa. Yun ang nami-miss ko sa pagiging blue-pilled pare. Ang blue-pilled puro ka lang fantasy, no? Isip ka lang, magugustuhan ako niyan, no? Okay lang sana yun no, na yung iniisip mo yung magkakatotoo, no? Pero yung red pill talagang darating at darating sa buhay mo talaga. Pipilitin sa yung isubo yan ng realidad Di ba? Kumbaga parang ginaganon mo lang, talagang pipilitin talaga isubo sa'yo ng realidad ng red pill eh. Yung para sa mga hindi alam dyan, yung red pill eh, ang ibig sabihin nun is reality. No? Pare, no, aminin nyo na, yung mga nanonood dyan, simula nung nalaman nyo rin yung red pill, parang bumigat ng konti. No? Nahirapan kayo konti sa buhay. Nawala yung pagiging positive thinker ninyo. No? Because nababasa nyo na yung realidad eh. No? Nababasa nyo na hindi lahat ng bagay madali. No? Hindi lahat ng bagay madaling makuha. Hindi lahat ng bagay makukuha mo actually, no? Pagka nalaman mo na yung nagising ka na sa katotohanan eh. Maririnig ng mga babae yun, or napanood ng mga babae yung ganong klase ng content. Di ba? And I'm sure, ang unang-unang isipin nila at unang-unang reaction nila, ang sweet niya, no? Pero dahil gising na tayo sa katotohanan, kahit anong gawin ni tropa, kahit sweet yun sa pandinig nila, pipiliin ba nila yung lalaking ganon? Yung ganong klase magmahal? Yung ganon yung itsura? I don't think so. And that's the sad truth. Hindi talaga sapat yung sobrang pagmamahal lang sa panahon ngayon. Yung dream girl niya, hindi yan madadaan sa pagmamahal lang. And I'm sure of it. Karamihan na ng babae ngayon hindi na madadaan sa pagmamahal lang. And that's the reality of dating nowadays. Hanggat maaari, no, you adapt the game talaga. You adapt the game. Si tropa parang payag na siya na minimum lang yung makuha niya. 1% lang kamo. Sabi niya, di ba? Agree siya kahit 1% lang ng attention makuha niya. After all of this hard work na mag-workout, baguhin yung sarili niya, kahit daw 1% lang ng attention ng babae makuha niya, masaya na siya. Buruin mo, mga pare, you have to wake up. You have to wake up to the reality. Kung nakaka-relate ka dun kay tropa, okay? Ibig sabihin, natutulog ka pa, bro. Okay? Natutulog ka pa sa system. Gamitin mo yung energy ninyo, yung resources ninyo para mag-improve kayo bilang lalaki. Okay? Huwag kayong mag-workout, huwag kayong mag-ayos ng buhay para sa pinapangarap mong babae. Because yung pinapangarap mong babae, bro, kayang-kayang makuha yan ng isang gabi ng isang sobrang malupit na lalaki. Kaya wag na wag kayong magkakaroon ng dream girl. Gawin yung motivation pare yung future. Wag yung babae. Pag nagbubuhat ka ngayon dahil sa babae, supot ka. Kung nagpapayaman ka ngayon dahil sa babae, supot ka. Habang ginagawa yung motivation yan, may bumibembang na dyan, bro. Yan ang masakit na realidad. May mga bro, leave a comment down below pare kung ano masasabi nyo sa video na to. Share nyo to sa mga tropa pare para magising. Okay? Sama-sama tayong magising mga pare. Alright? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell para notify kayo sa mga bago nating videos. This is Josh on Point. See you next time. Boom.
GFAB.